Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video. So today, as you can see, we're talking about the lantern, and I'm gonna show you today how to join them together. This video was asked by some of you for some time ago, and finally now I can show it to you and help you and help myself on how to join these lanterns. So it is an easy way. We're not gonna crochet together or crochet as we go or join as we go way, but it's only a sewing way. We're gonna join them with a thread, the same yarn thread, all together. So if you want to see how, just stay tuned. So basically what you need to do when you join the lantern, we're not gonna do it this way, but you have to find where they match together this way. Like this angle will match with this angle this way, and from here we will start sewing the piece. So I'll use this thread from my last work, and then I'll join. So we have here the two loops. I'm not gonna sew inside in the outer loop, but in the inside loop from both sides. So here I'll go to the inside loop and join it in the inside one over here. So this is the front side, and I'll do the same for the rest of the work. Can see here, and then tighten along the way. You see how aligned it is here and neat. We continue all the way, and we do the same for the rest. I'll show you another piece how to join with these two, so it is clear for everyone. Okay, so we're done with this one, and you can see how it looks like. Now I'm gonna add another one. So this one will go easy here, and then I'll sew the same way, and then I'll join another one over here, and sew it the same way. You see how easy it is? Okay, so here I have sewed some of my pieces together, and as you can see, they're all aligned. This is the way as I showed you in the beginning, and you continue work whatever you're doing, whether a blanket or a pillow or anything you like. So this is the easiest way to join the lanterns together. So if you're starting a blanket, it's right to start sewing the widths, and then you go up slowly, so your work is neat and clean, and you can see how you can progress. So I hope you find this tutorial easy to follow. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and then I'll put the link for the how to make the lantern in the description box. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.